28th of April 2026. So as we all know, if you have watched my previous videos, yes, if you have watched my previous videos, I if you have watched my previous videos, you need to watch these previous videos to understand this market. So if you have watched my previous video, you will see that I took a sell from here, from this particular place down here, down to this liquidity pool around here. So I said it that I was not able to enter this particular market of because I am already in that market. So that was the reason why I did not enter that market. I already made up my mind that when I make money from one trade, I don't trade anymore that day. So that is what brought about this one. So the next day, the market came here. Okay, this was where the market mitigated us on 29th. That was yesterday. Yeah, 29th or 28th. Yeah, 28th. Yeah, this was where the market mitigated us. So I did not enter the market right there. So yesterday, why immediately I woke up, so I saw the market around here. I saw the market around here. So I took my buy around here, and it's our TP today. As you can see now, this is just 1:2, 1:2. So let me explain how I took this market. So on our 1 hour time frame, told you market was on a bullish trend. So this was the last low that went to break structure. This was the last low that went to break structure. So on the last market I traded here there was a market shift around here. Market shift around here. So I told us if you go down to 5 minutes, you'll see the market shift around here because this was a higher low. Higher low. This is another higher low that came to break structure. So the market shift happened around there, and there was a liquidity pool here. That was what brought about the sell that we took on Tuesday. That was on 28th on Tuesday. So I told you that it was only a mere retracement. That market was only a retracement. So when price got here, got to our low, our lower high, higher low here. So market swept this place and then went on to cause our market shift. As you can see, that's market structure shift. So after that market structure shift, then price created liquidity here. So there was available liquidity here. This place is liquidity because there is a demand zone there. So market came back, swept the available liquidity here. As you can see, this was our last low that swept this lower high before breaking structure. So this is where our liquidity pool is. It is yet to be mitigated. So after price broke through here, so price mitigated our liquidity pool. That is the higher low that swept liquidity before price going on to break structure. So when price mitigated it, I didn't take the market mainly because I was on a sell already. So I had to wait that day. So getting here now, you can see that I am already in the market now. So price came back to my entry. Almost took me out. Yes, almost took me out. Price playing our stop loss before going back up. So this market almost took me out, but I was according to my analysis, so I was not supposed to panic. So as you can see now, price already smashed our take profit. So immediately price caused market shift here, price came to our point of interest and then boom. So before price goes to our point of interest, price created various liquidity here. Yes, there's available liquidity here. This is liquidity one, this is liquidity two. So as you can see, when price is going to take liquidity, price is usually fast. So let's see. Price is usually fast. Can you see? Just like 3 or 4 candles and then cause liquidity sweep. So the reason why I placed my stop loss here is because this was my like something like another flow that caused break of structure. So I had to place my stop loss see market came here, almost took me out, and then so my entry. You might be wondering why my entry is this much. It was because it was where I met the market on London Zone. I could have entered this market on Asia session, but I promised that I made a rule that I won't be trading Asia session. So that is why I had to enter this market on London session. So I targeted our next supply zone, which is here, which is here. So I could have targeted a lot more, but you have to do what the market tells you. So that is it.